Hello guys and welcome to my channel Anbreen Kay Tech. This is Anbreen and today we will talk about one of a powerful app that is in the market nowadays. It is basically promising you to give you an alternate solution of ChatGPT. As we all know that ChatGPT is on a hype nowadays. People are going crazy to buy it and they are thinking that ChatGPT is free. But guys, let me tell you one thing. ChatGPT is not free at all. It was just a market stunt, but now it is not free. If it is free, then for sure with limited access. Another fact is ChatGPT has an expensive premium plan that has been launched and people are so addicted that even they are ready to buy it. So in short, ChatGPT demand is going insanely high. Even it is not able to handle its customer and the servers are going down and eventually customers are ended up with doing different complaints saying what's going on around because they are paying huge amount. So for sure they'll get panic and they will have a lot of questions and confusions. So there is another powerful app in the market that is promising you on an alternate of ChatGPT, and that powerful app is known as BrainBox. That is basically giving you full potential of AI. It basically lets you create and launch your own ChatGPT like AI bot and can charge people for using it. It comes with over 50 AI features that will stun you and your customers. You can have your own chatbot that is similar to ChatGPT. It lets you create, edit, and even format the articles, blog posts, ebooks, ads, and etc. in more than 55 languages. It can also help you create breathtaking images, animated videos, voiceovers, and write or even fix the codes you want in any programming languages with the help of using Alexa or Siri like voice recognition commands. Best part is you can launch it as your own under your brand name and you can start charging the people for using it. Whereas for ChatGPT, you will have to pay huge amount for writing articles, texts, ebooks, ads, and many other texts. And BrainBox can give you opportunity to enjoy all these facilities for a small upfront amount that is only $16 to unlock the power of AI instead of paying huge amount like $400 or $500 for every services. And if you do the purchasing of this product during this launch period, you can get even more discount on it. So what do you want, guys? Let's act now because I don't want you to lose this chance and later on you might be regretting it. Let me share you the free bonuses that you're gonna get with this BrainBox once you purchase this product. Obviously these bonuses will be included in the members area of BrainBox. Link is attached in the description box under this video. Go check it out. This is the sales page where you can get access to BrainBox. You can click on the first link that is attached in the description box under this video. You will reach this page that is the sales page of BrainBox. All the details are given on this page, and while you scroll down, you will reach to this button. Click here now to get started. Click on it and proceed to purchase it. It's $16.95, but further you can get discount on it of $3 that is popped up here. Once you click on claim my discount, you will be able to claim discount and the total amount you will be supposed to pay is $13.99 only. Now let us get into the demo video of BrainBox members area where you will see the virtual inside of this product and how amazingly it generates your own chatbot, and through that you can ask questions whatever you want, or you can ask to write articles, blog posts, ebooks, and even you can ask to fix the bugs of your codes. Let us get into there. So this was the complete insight about BrainBox. We will hope to see you inside the BrainBox. If you like this video, press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in another video on the same channel. Till then, bye.